Welcome to our guide on how to find your base in Minecraft without using coordinates. Let's explore some fun ways to navigate this vast world. First, let's talk about landmarks. In Minecraft, unique features like tall mountains or distinctive tree formations can be your best friends when trying to remember the way back to your base. Utilizing natural formations such as rivers, mountains, and caves can guide you back to your base. Familiarizing yourself with these structures is crucial. Creating distinct paths or trails is another excellent strategy. Marking your route with paths can help you find your way home from any adventure. Remember that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. By keeping track of the sun and moon, you can maintain your sense of direction. Observing changes in biomes can serve as an excellent navigational aid. Each biome has unique features and flora that can help remind you where you've been. Employing map-making techniques can also be useful. You can create maps to help you remember your surroundings and mark important locations. Constructing tall structures or beacons can provide a great visual marker. These will make your base visible from far away, aiding your return. Here are a few tips to help you memorize your routes. Take notes, frequently revisit paths, and use distinct markers to enhance your memory. In conclusion, honing your navigation skills in Minecraft can lead to countless adventures. Emphasize exploration and enjoy every moment.